Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, you're absolutely going to love this story. I was just talking to a realtor. I've got to put my sunglasses on. I hate talking to people with glasses on, but it is crazy bright here in Florida today. So I was just talking to a real estate agent, and the good news is there's a lot of cash offers happening in your area. The great news is realtors are now profiting from this. And let me tell you what I mean by that. So a lot of you know that I coach my agents, the agents involved in our Inner Circle coaching. I show them how to use a Dream Home Finder program whereby they'll get a buyer, and instead of showing them homes that are on the MLS, they'll go out and use some marketing pieces to that neighborhood to pick up unlisted homes, homeowners that might be looking to sell but haven't yet listed. So the good news is all of these companies like Open Door, Purple Bricks, all of these where they're giving cash for homes. I don't know if you guys know how that works. By the way, they're buying a lot of houses. They're doing a ton of business, so you can't knock their system. But what they do is they charge a regular 6% realtor commission plus a 15% convenience fee. Now, you might be thinking, look at that sun. You might be thinking, there's no way a homeowner is going to pay a 6% commission and a 15% convenience fee. The fact is, they're doing it every single day because of the hassle involved with listing and selling your property. So if you think about like even yourself, when you go to sell your car, you're not trying to sell it on your own and meet random strangers and do all that stuff. You give it to a dealer and you know you're going to lose $3,000, $4,000 in value by doing that, but they're the broker of that car essentially, right? So the same is true in housing. Well, here's the good news. So the agent I talked to this morning, you're going to love this story, by the way. So the agent I talked to this morning, she said, I picked up a buyer using your Dream Home Finder approach on Facebook. She's running Facebook Marketplace ads, so it's totally free advertising. She picked up a buyer. The buyer's looking around $300,000 in her local market, and she ran the Dream Home Finder campaign. Picks up a homeowner. The homeowner says, we are thinking about selling our house. Tell me about your buyer. Will they give us time to find another place so that we can move out? Because we can't really sell our house here if we don't know where we're moving to. So she works all that stuff out. And then they said, okay, well, what do you charge for this service? She said, well, I charge the normal 6% fee, and I only charge a 3% convenience fee. Now, you don't have to do that. You can go list with RE/MAX or Keller Williams or Century 21 or whatever. They'll just charge you the regular commission. But then you've got the listing process, and you've got to gather the kids and get the dog in the car and go down the road and wait an hour for each and every showing. And there might be 3 showings a night. Or for a convenience factor, you can just pay us our normal commission of 6% plus the 3% convenience fee because we already have the buyer lined up. So they said, well, we've been doing some research online. We looked at Open Door, we looked at Purple Bricks, whatever ones they looked at. I don't know which ones it was. And they said, that sounds a heck of a lot better to us. Where do we sign? Now, I want to point something out to you. This real estate agent picked up a buyer from free marketing and got a freaking 9% commission. Why? Because Open Door is pushing so hard. They're doing all these commercials. They're on the radio. They've got billboards all over town. And they're showing, hey, straight cash offer for your home. You don't have the hassle of listing it. And people start thinking, holy crap, it is kind of a hassle to list my house for sale. It'd be pretty convenient to just sell it to one of these full price offers. And it is full price minus 6% commission and 15% convenience fee. So this agent I was talking to this morning, one of our coaching members, she said, I told him it was 6%, and they'd already told me they're looking at some of these cash offers or the Open Door type companies. So I told them, if they do want to sell to this buyer, there's a 3% convenience fee. And sure enough, they took it. She said, my biggest regret, I didn't tell them it was 5%, right? So she's getting a 9% commission. I can't do the math really quick, but what is 9% of $300,000? Almost 30 grand, $27,000. She's getting a $27,000 commission from a free ad on Facebook Marketplace. It took her 3 days to put all this stuff together and get everything mailed. So less than a week, she's got a deal in contract. Both sides of the transaction, very simple process. So I want you to start thinking about that in your business. It's a completely different way of offering the service that you provide as a real estate agent. So if you're not using the Dream Home Finder program, by the way, we teach that inside our entire foundational model training. It's like step number 1 for increasing your business. You should see a link in the description here for getfastclosings.com. We'll show you how that works. But I love seeing these types of stories. A real estate agent that overcomes adversity is able to take advantage of the fact that, look, our business is being taken from us. All of these click to sell type scenarios, it's really the equivalent of LegalZoom, right? attorneys used to make money to do an LLC or creating an operating agreement. Now for $29, you can click a button to fill in the blanks on a contract. Well, we have fill-in-the-blank contracts. So there's companies out there trying to eat our lunch. Now we know how to take advantage of that, and we actually capitalize on it, making more money. If you like that idea, make sure you like this video here. I think the most important thing you can do is take action for your own business and share this with another real estate agent that needs to understand our market is changing. The way we market ourselves is changing. You have to change what you're doing. So let's take advantage of what's going on out there in the marketplace. Like this video, make sure you're following our page here and turn on notifications. Every single day I do a quick live for you to give you that mindset change or that system change that you need to have. So make sure you're following our page and turn on notifications, but share this video with a realtor that needs to see this. I think, you know, usually we would say, well, I've got a buyer and it's just a real quick deal, so I'll just do the whole thing at 4%. She's getting 9%, and they were thankful that it was so cheap and so convenient. You better give value to what it is that you offer. Don't undercut yourself. You've got an awesome service. You've got an awesome product they're interested in. I think I'm going to get a little bit of clouds here for a second. You've got an awesome service they're interested in, so I want you to get paid for what it is you do as a professional. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Go to getfastclosings.com and watch a full training on how that Dream Home Finder works, as well as several other approaches. Go out there and sell some houses. I'm getting ready to get on a coaching call with all of our Inner Circle members. I've got about, 20 minutes or so until we get on this call. We've got an awesome call today talking about the bulletproof listing presentation. So very excited about that. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.